Hello magazine lovers. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about Barış Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel. Before we move into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Barış Baktaş said, "Forget everything you know about Yağmur, she is a very different person in reality." Barış and Yağmur were the heart of Consisekleri, their Dilan and Baran romance, a captivating force that earned a Golden Star Best TV Couple nomination and ignited a passionate Dilbar fandom. Their off-screen warmth, dancing at galas, playful online banter, and shared moments like a Ramadan iftar with families, as noted in a YouTube video, had fans dreaming of a real-life love story. Barış's marriage to Gülüm, a beautician and his partner since before his rise to fame, remained a steady anchor, deepened by their expected child, as reported by TGRT Haber. Tensions surfaced when Gülüm reportedly confronted Yağmur over a silver watch Yağmur gifted Barış as a farewell when the show ended, inscribed with a message of their shared journey. Yağmur's claim that Barış wouldn't let her go, followed by his gift of a family heirloom ring, fueled rumors, but Barış's assertion that their bond was a calculated act for ratings, coupled with Yağmur's new romance with Taha Baran Özbek, a businessman seen in quiet seaside moments per a March 2025 X post, pointed to separate paths. The alleged quote suggests Barış is urging the public to rethink their perception of Yağmur, implying her public persona, perhaps as the beloved Dilan or a warm co-star, hides a different reality, possibly negative. However, no evidence supports this statement, no interview clip, no X post, no tabloid scoop captures Barış saying these words or anything close. His closest related comment came in a 2024 statement, where he said, "I never liked Yağmur, it was for ratings," a blunt disavowal of their rumored romance aimed at quelling speculation and likely reassuring Gülüm after the ring drama. That remark, while sharp, focused on their lack of romantic connection, not Yağmur's character or hidden nature. Barış's social media is sparse, centered on his upcoming projects like a crime series, with no trace of personal attacks on Yağmur. Yağmur's posts highlight her Kizgin Topraklar role and personal joys, like a horse farm visit noted by Milliyet, showing no response to such a claim. Gülüm's updates focus on her pregnancy, radiating calm, not conflict. The rumor might stem from fans misinterpreting Barış's ratings comment, twisting it into a broader critique of Yağmur's authenticity. Alternatively, it could reflect Dilbar fans' disappointment, projecting tension onto Barış to explain Yağmur's new romance or their professional distance. The Dizi world often blurs fiction and reality. Fans mistook Yağmur's on-screen pregnancy arc for real life, much like they've spun this quote from Barış's earlier words. A 2024 X post from @K2IBE about Barış and Yağmur facing harassment suggests they've been united against external pressures, not at odds, further undermining the idea of Barış publicly disparaging her. The Ramadan iftar, a warm event, or the ring's fallout might have been misread as moments of personal betrayal, but no reports indicate Barış framing Yağmur as different in reality. Could Barış feel this way? It's unlikely. His retraction was strategic, aimed at protecting his marriage, not exposing Yağmur's character. Yağmur's hurt over his comment, as hinted by sources, suggests she felt misrepresented, but her focus on Taha and her career shows resilience, not a hidden persona. Gülüm's confrontation was about boundaries, not Yağmur's nature. This echoes other Dizi rumors, like Sila Turkoglu's unproven tears over Halil Ibrahim Ceyhan or Afra Sarıkoglu's fabricated pleas, where emotional narratives flare without proof. The industry's knack for hyping drama, as with Consisekleri's viewership spike, could amplify such tales, but Barış and Yağmur's separate lives, his with Gülüm, hers with Taha, show no sign of this conflict. Fans keep the buzz alive, with some Dilbar loyalists imagining Barış's words as a sign of lingering tension, while others cheer Yağmur's new chapter. X hums with Consisekleri clips, but no quote about Yağmur's reality surfaces. Barış's rising career and Gülüm's joy contrast with Yağmur's Kizgin Topraklar stride, no feud, no exposé. Barış Baktaş didn't say, "Forget everything you know about Yağmur, she is a very different person in reality," no quote, no proof, just whispers. Their Consisekleri connection, once a spark for speculation, has settled into separate journeys, untouched by such dramatic claims. Like other dizzy myths, it's a tale fans weave, not one Barış lives. Turkey's watching, but Barış's words, if any, speak to his future, not Yağmur's truth. If there are any celebrities you would like to know about and follow current developments, please indicate in the comments. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you in the next videos. Goodbye.